Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amir Rushadi Mazlan, metric number 1180491. Okay, today in this video I will demonstrate on how to run an assembly language program using Microsoft Visual Studio. And first, in order to do that, we need to have Visual Studio, which we can download it on the Microsoft Visual Studio official website. And as for me, I will using Community 2019 for academic purposes. So we just download it and install it. This installation will take some time, so I will have to fast forward this video. Okay, so as for assembly language, we need to have to install these three workloads. So the total space required for this three is 18 GB. So let's install it. Okay, now I have finished downloading and installed the packages. Create a new project, and we choose empty project for C++ language and click next. So the project name, you can name it whatever you want. As for me, I will name it assembly. Okay, so we just click on create. Okay, now we're here on the interface. So look at the right side of the screen and you will see these three files. So in my case, I will just have to delete these three files because we will not be using it. Actually, we will be using the source files, but I'll show you how to create an entirely new file. So press delete. Okay, now right click on the assembly. First, you should build dependency, build customizations, and click on MASM, which is the assembly language assembler, and then right click on your project name and add new item. Okay, so we'll be selecting this file c++file.cpp, but we will rename it into some your project name main.asm. So you have to rename your file to .asm type, and then you can click add. And now you have the interface for source code, and then you click on your main file and click on properties. So to make sure that the configuration properties under general, the item type should be Microsoft Microassembler. You can click here and choose the assembler, and after that click apply and OK. Okay, now we'll try to run a code on this. So I have prepared a code, so we just copy and paste it. Okay, right here I have my source code here. So let's build a solution. Click on build solution, and as you can see, the build shows that 1 succeed, 0 fail, and 0 up to date, which means there is no error in this code. So next step is we just have to debug the code. So let's just click this button, local Windows debugger, and it will show a new console windows. It will show our output. So let's just press any key to close. Okay, next I will explain how this code works. So just click on the bar to put the breakpoint on this line and this line, which indicates the instruction, and then I will have to rebuild the solution. Then we can debug by clicking the local Windows debugger, and it shows the registers and the memory tab. If you can't see this, simply go to debug Windows and click on memory and registers. Okay, so the code move 5 to EAX registers, and then he add 6 to the EAX registers. So let's see. Click on the step over button. So the EAX value has changed to 5, and then for the next steps, and when it adds 6 to the registers, the value has changed to B. Why? Because 6 plus 5 is 11, and since registers use hexadecimal, the value for 11 in hexadecimal is B. So that's it for the code. So I think that is all, and we should call it a day. So assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for watching.